Hello everybody, my name is Gokulnath.P. I'm a data science intern at the Sparks Foundation. My task is to predict a percentage of a student based on the number of hours of study. So this comes under the category of supervised machine learning, and this can be achieved using simple linear regression task. So this is basically a very simple task. So let's see how this is done. I'll erase all the ruled outputs. Yeah. So for the first step, we are going to import the metrics library because we'll be finding the mean average error at the bottom. So this will be used to calculate the accuracy of our prediction. First step, we are reading the data set into a data frame called DF, which is for easy access. And then the second step, we are creating a linear regression model. A linear regression model is created as the course of prediction. So yeah, first we are creating a model with the scores and the hours, which is two columns of the data set from the data frame DF. And then we are calling the linear model to check the coefficients. Yeah, so we'll see how this works. Yeah. So what we have said, it has read, it has created the linear regression model, and the linear model has been called. So the called linear model has an intercept and the hours, which is okay. And now the next step, we have to check if our predictions can be done accurately. So for that purpose, we are creating a new data frame called new, wherein we are importing the values of the hours from the DF dataset. So from this we are creating another linear model, which is only for our convenience, and then we are doing the same thing. We are creating the same linear model with the scores and hours from the dataset DF, and now we are predicting the values with the hours from the DF data frame. And then we are literally plotting the predicted values with the average, actual values that are already present in the DF data frame. So this is the plot here. So this is the actual value and this is the predicted value. And we can see it is pretty close. It is pretty close and pretty accurate. For our convenience, I've created another data frame called A, wherein I've included the actual value versus the predicted value, so that we can see how accurate our linear regression model is predicting the value. So you can see the actual value is 21, we are getting 26.92318, and it goes on further, and it is pretty accurate because 2733, 2528, and 6260. So we are pretty close, and this is not a very good model, but still not very bad also. It is a pretty good one. So then for our confirmation purpose, we are calculating the mean absolute error between the predicted value and the actual value, which is DF scores, and B. B is the predicted value which I have been storing in the variable. So the mean average error is 4.97280, which is not bad, which is a good one actually. Now then we are storing the values to be predicted in a new data frame. Now this is our task. We have to find the percentage a student gets if he studies for 9.25 hours. This is our task. So I'm creating a data frame with only 9.25 hours and storing it in DF1. And now to predict it, we have already created a linear model, so need not create it again and again. We are reusing it. And then now we the new data is DF1. So we'll see what this is predicted, which is our answer now. Yeah. So the task of predicting the score of a student who studies for 9.25 hours is 92.90985. So from all these predictions and this confirmation, we can say that this prediction is quite accurate. So it is not that level, but still it is accurate enough that we have concluded that if a student studies for 9.25 hours, he'll be able to score a percentage of 92.90985, and hence the task has been completed. Thank you.